In new Windows 10, some of you may face this problem when trying to access your web WhatsApp through Microsoft Edge internet browser. The QR code was displayed improperly as like this, and it is impossible for you to scan login via your mobile. How to sort this out? Here you go. Click on the three dot at the top right corner. Go for the setting. On the left, click on the setting. Look for this. Use hardware acceleration when available. Close it and restart it. After restarted, try to open up your WhatsApp web browser again. Here you go. Problem resolved. If you like this video, please like and subscribe at this channel. See you again.